Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for chemical graduate. The name of the company is Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers Limited. So this is the official website of the company. When you scroll down, you can see the advertisement for the Operator Trainee Chemical and Junior Fireman. So starting date is 4/3/2022 by 8 a.m. and closing date is 28/3/2022 by 5 p.m. So you have to follow all the instruction. So left hand side, if you click means you can download the advertisement, and regarding the OBC etc. they given. Just click on advertisement. So totally 133 vacancies are available, and depending upon various category, and you must have a regular and proper degree from a recognized university. So qualification they have clearly given. If you have diploma in chemical engineering or technology or UGC means you are eligible for it. Kindly read all the instructions carefully, and relaxation of age will be given, and cutoff for the determining the eligibility criteria will be released in the website as early as possible. And application fee they haven't mentioned, but you will be getting a stipend of 9,000. You will be getting a stipend of 9,000 per month, and on successful completion sometimes you might be extended. Read instruction carefully. If you like this video means kindly share the video to chemical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Kindly stay tuned with our channel Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.